How to cure those winter blues. You're not alone if the colder temperatures and shorter days make you feel blue. During the winter, it's typical to feel worn out, depressed, have trouble focusing, and have problems sleeping. Some people can readily regulate this mood swing by making changes to their lifestyle. However, for some people, the winter blues can develop into seasonal affective disorder, a more severe form of depression. In the winter, you might not be able to control the weather or the quantity of daylight, but you can take good care of yourself to feel better. Here are 6 methods you can use to get through the winter blues. 1. Keep moving and be active. It has been demonstrated that exercise improves mood, lessens depressive symptoms, and eases stress. Maintaining your exercise routine and eating a balanced, healthy diet are excellent methods to boost your mood and energy throughout the winter. According to research, taking a daily, 1-hour stroll in the middle of the day is a great way to fight the blues. Going for a walk, swimming indoors, or exercise all help to fight against mild to moderate depression. Start out cautiously and increase the amount of time you spend doing yoga, aerobic exercise, or other fitness-related activities to 30 to 60 minutes each day, 5 days per week. 2. Eat a varied and healthy diet. Think about your diet as an easy way to improve your winter blues. Protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner can improve mood and reduce cravings for sugar and carbohydrates later in the day. Whole grains and other complex carbs can give you more energy and are essential all year long. Deep green or orange fruits and vegetables, like broccoli, kale, and carrots, include nutrients that improve mood and overall health. 3. Make sure to get adequate vitamin D. Researchers have found that people with low vitamin D are at a greater risk of the winter blues and depression. Consuming foods enriched with vitamin D, such as milk, orange juice, breakfast cereal, and yogurt, as well as foods high in vitamin D, such as fatty fish and fish oil, can help maintain mood stability. Spend as much time as you can outside in the sunlight, particularly through the afternoon and on bright sunny days. Being outside in the sun improves mood by balancing serotonin activity, increasing melatonin production, regulating your circadian rhythm, and raising vitamin D levels. If you can't get outside, try sitting as close to a window as you can for at least 1 to 2 hours each day. 4. Maintain a regular sleep routine. The amount of sleep you get is a significant factor in determining your mood. Our circadian rhythm can be thrown off if we don't get enough sleep on a regular basis, which also affects the rhythms of cortisol and hormone production. Set a regular time for going to sleep and waking up every day. Use a simple bedtime ritual to signify relaxation, such as taking a bath, dimming the lights, or sipping herbal tea. Maintain a calming bedtime routine by keeping electronics out of the bedroom. 5. Enliven your senses. We can help lighten our mood by changing things around us. Try brightening up your walls with a new coat of paint. Make a conscious effort to wear brighter colors or paint your nails. Scents can also improve your mood. Try peppermint essential oil or another energetic aroma. According to studies, listening and dancing to uplifting music can actually make you feel happier. 6. Stay social. In the winter, people have a tendency to hibernate, and isolation exacerbates depressive symptoms. Make an effort to stay in touch with those who matter to you, and accept any invites you receive to social gatherings, even if you can only stay for a short time. Make sure you follow these 6 tips and watch your winter blues fade away. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.